Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over, I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone, it's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home.
Hey guys, pardon my voice. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing great. This place is dark. Wow, today I am doing MRO. It has been long. When I mean long, it has been long. The last one I did was 2 years ago, I think so. So today I thought of doing an MRO with you guys. Okay, I don't do much in the morning, but I just thought of because that video is long, why not renew it? So excuse me, I'm just waking up, so my voice, I thought of doing one with you guys.
So the first thing I do when I wake up, I visit the White House. Okay, I just visit the White House to clear my system. That's the first thing I do.
Doctor says take some pills, but this is not how it.
After that, I will head to my kitchen because I spend most of my days in my kitchen. You guys know, because of the renovation that is going on in my house, I'm always in my kitchen. I just open all the windows down and get some vitamin E in, okay? So after that, I will head up to brush my teeth. Very, very important. I'll just brush that teeth. I brush my teeth twice a day, sometimes thrice a day. I brush my teeth before I go to bed and when I wake up.
Guys, by the way, this video is sponsored by cheeeese Ultra Clean Electric Toothbrush.
300 days charge with Type-C USB charging. Your toothbrush will last up to 300 days on a single charge. See out on a long journey with a cheeeese electric toothbrush in confidence and peace of mind. It came in this gorgeous pack, as you can see. So guys, you can see that it came with 4 types of different brushes, and these 4 brushes are different. The first one is the cheeeese Ultra Care brush head. Then the second one is cheeeese 3D Clean brush head. The third one is cheeeese Smart Clean brush head, while the other one is all around protection brush. And also a wallet. You guys can see this is so beautiful because when you want to travel, you can just put your brush inside, and it came with a USB cord. Very, very easy to travel with. I like this purse so much. It makes it easy. You don't need to like carry the whole of the brushes. You just pick your favorite brush and you put everything in this purse and it goes inside your bag. Also, there is a manual that came with it. All informations about the brush is inside that manual. When you charge this brush, it can last you for 300 days. You can see it came with a cover on it. This is just to protect that spinning iron. I don't know how I will explain it. State-of-the-art, powerful, magical levitation motor, lower energy consumption yet better cleaning result of removing tarts from your teeth. You can see it came with a cover on it. This is just to protect that spinning iron. I don't know how I will explain it. That round silver things you're seeing right there, you can use it to regulate the speed that you want. So I'm going to leave the link on the description, so if you're interested, check that out. And if you want to know more about this toothbrush, you can visit their website. I'm going to leave all information you need to know. There will be link to their website and everything on the description box. Don't hesitate to check that out. So to charge your brush, this you just have to open this, and one thing I like, when you charge your battery, it's going to last you for 300 days. 300 days, you guys can imagine that. And one thing I like about these brushes is because the cleaning mode includes sensitive gum care and teeth protection clean, micro vibration deep cleaning, white intense stains remover. And the all-round protection reduce the stock with brushing provides full protection of sensitive gum and teeth. One thing about with this brush is the duration of the charge, 300 days, which means even if you're traveling, you don't need to take your charger along. I'm happy about that. The good news is that with my code you can get 15% off, and when you join their program, each time you can get 2 free brush head replacements. That is when you join their program, okay? And that's a good deal. So the things I do in the morning, I like listening to praise and worship song. I'll just on my telly, go to YouTube, select whatever music I want for that day. Then I'll arrange my dishes because I'm the type that don't like leaving dishes to the next day, so I just wash them, then leave them to dry. So when I wake up, I will arrange everything in place.
Jesus, it's always been you, Emmanuel.
While I'm doing this, I'm thinking of what I will eat that morning, because in the morning, that's when I decide what I'll eat.
What torch lights my feet? It's always been you, Jesus. It's always been you.
So after cleaning, I just go ahead to take my bath and to start the day.
Brings life to the morning. What flame lights my way home? It's always.
So now I'm back, I'm set for the day. I like fruits. If you know me, you should know I love fruits. I love fruit. So I'm adding watermelon. I have watermelon, have banana, and what they call this, guava, I don't know how they call it in English, and kiwi. So I'll just make smoothie with every day. Some days I'll take it easy, just take something like orange juice and fresh orange juice, homemade, because I like fresh fruits. Or the day I don't want to take orange juice, I just do my smoothie and that is it. So I added some ice to my smoothie so that I would lose chill.
It's different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy.
So I turned it in my glass cup, then kept it in the fridge.
You got the best of me. You got me.
First thing when I woke up in the morning, I've learned this habit of drinking water. I hardly drink water. If you know me, drinking water is the hardest thing for me. So with this cup you see here, I can drink a lot of water. So first thing before anything touches my tummy in the morning, my stomach, I drink a full cup of water before anything, and it's so helpful. Water is good. Water is life. This day I felt like eating some eggs, fried eggs. I said, okay, let me prepare eggs.
I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust it?
I just chop my onion, my pepper. That's the only thing I use. Yeah. I don't need to add much. I like onion. Wow, I really like eating onion. Let me know in the comment section if you like onion. So this pepper is from my garden. This year my hubby planted some tomatoes, fresh pepper. Is it fresh pepper they call it? Yeah, these are green pepper, sorry. And carrots, some carrot too. So this pepper you see is from my garden. Empty-handed, I wonder, would you let me? I just break my eggs inside, and voila!
I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along. Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong. And I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid picture of us from June 24th.
So I use olive oil to fry my eggs. I prefer olive oil to this vegetable oil. It's just me. You can use what you want. And that is it.
Maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should have known. One more drink, just swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody said it was easy. Maybe I should have known. I've been out till late, shifting beds, trying to kill the image of you. Got a million stupid reasons not to call. It's just that I want to. Do you remember how we pulled the drapes in the basement to get away from the world that we couldn't fit in? And how we used to walk those empty streets at night in the city lights is where I saw you for the last time. Said our goodbyes, sat in the car. You saw the pain in my eyes, but I just couldn't let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention. Maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should have known. One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind.
So guys, that is it. I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget, I'm going to put the link to this electric brush on the description box, so if you're interested, you can check that out. Alright guys, bye. I will just eat then start working. I have so many videos to edit. Ciao.